Good morning, class 4. I hope everyone is fine. So, beta, I am your science teacher. I welcome you again in my science class. We were reading chapter number 2, that is my digestion and the role of microbes. So, till now we have read up to page number 24. So, today we will start with the new topic on page number 25. Everyone, please open your books at page number 25. Our next topic is digestive system. We will read about the digestive system. This system is concerned with the digestion of our food. That is digestive system. So let's read page number 25. The food that we eat is broken down into simpler forms. These simpler forms of food give energy that can be used by our body. सो बेटे जो आप खाना खाते हो, जो आप फूड लेते हो, दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन बिग साइज मीन्स बिग मॉलिक्यूल्स. अपनी बॉडी को एनर्जी चाहिए, वो एनर्जी हमें फूड देता है. जो फूड आप खाते हो वो लार्ज पार्टिकल्स में प्रेजेंट होता है, बड़े बड़े मॉलिक्यूल्स में प्रेजेंट होता है. The food that we eat is broken down into simpler forms. These simpler forms of food give energy that can be used by our body. उस जो लार्ज फॉर्म फूड की है, जो लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं फूड के, उनको स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स में कन्वर्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है अगर एनर्जी लेनी है हमारी बॉडी. तो व्हाट हैपेंस दैट लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ फूड दे आर ब्रोकन इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म्स. वो सिंपलर फॉर्म में ब्रेक होता है पहले. वो जो सिंपलर फॉर्म है फूड की, वो हमें एनर्जी देती है, और जो वो एनर्जी है वो हमारी बॉडी यूज करती है काम करने के लिए. We use that energy to do the daily activities of our day. Now let's read what is digestion first. The process by which food is broken down into a simpler form so that it can be easily taken in or absorbed by the body is called digestion. Digestion क्या है? एक process है by which the food that we eat is broken down into simpler forms. जिस प्रोसेस से जो फूड हम लेते हैं वो सिंपलर फॉर्म्स में ब्रेक होता है, ताजो वो हमारी बॉडी उसको यूज कर सके, ताजो हमारी बॉडी उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर सके. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डाइजेशन. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट इज डाइजेशन. दिस इज अ प्रोसेस बाय विच द फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म्स so that it can be easily absorbed by our body. That is called as digestion. There are various organs that work together and help in digestion. These organs together form the digestive system. Now, there is something in our body that breaks that food into simpler forms. What are they? That are the organs. There are many organs in the body that helps to break the food into simpler forms. All that organs that help to break the food, they combine to form one system that is called the digestive system. वो सारे organs मिलके जो food को break करते हैं, वो एक system बना लेते हैं, organ system in our body. उस system को बोलते हैं हम digestive system. Now let's read about the digestive system. Process of digestion, कि how the process of digestion starts in our body. But this is our digestive system. First organ of the digestive system is mouth, from where we take in food. जहां से food हम लेते हैं, that is the mouth. What is the function of mouth? It is written in your book. Look at your books, everyone. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. Here food is broken down by biting and chewing. This chewed food mixes with a liquid called saliva, which helps in digestion. सबसे पहले जो organ है that is mouth. From here we take in food. The food is taken here by biting. We bite with the teeth. Then the food is chewed. फिर उसको चबाया जाता है. This chewed food mixes with the liquid called saliva, which helps in digestion. Then there is one liquid that is secreted, that is produced in our mouth, that is called saliva, जिसे हम saliva बोलते हैं. Then the chewed food will mix with the saliva and this saliva will help in digestion. वो food जो हमारा saliva के साथ mix हो जाएगा और वहां से digestion start हो जाएगा. So this is the function of first organ, that is mouth. Next is food pipe. This is the there is a pipe below the mouth, that is food pipe. Second name of food pipe is esophagus. Esophagus I have written. Food passes from the mouth through this thin long tube called the food pipe and reaches the stomach. When the food mixes with the saliva in the mouth, then it passes down and passes through the food pipe. यहाँ से नीचे आएगा खाना आपका. Then it goes to the stomach and enters the stomach over here. What is the function of food pipe? It helps in the passage of food from the mouth to the stomach. Next, stomach. It is a sac-like organ where food is broken down further. Stomach is a sac-like organ. Sac means bag. It is a bag-like organ where the food is broken down further. पहले जो माउथ में ब्रेकिंग हुई फूड की, उसके बाद जो ब्रेकिंग होनी है, that will take place in the stomach. वो स्टमक में आकर होगी. Next is your small intestine. These are the small intestines. ये जो है इन्हें बोलते हैं small intestines. Food from the stomach passes into the small intestine. Here all the useful nutrients are absorbed by the blood and taken to all parts of the body. Now from the stomach, food will enter into the small intestine. Here what will happen? All the nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals that are present in the food, they will be absorbed by the blood over here. वो blood में चले जाएंगे सारे. And blood will take that all the nutrients to all parts of the body. So जो blood होगा वो सारे nutrients को सारे body parts पे पहुंचा देगा. Next, fifth one is liver. This is the liver. It produces juices that play an important role in the digestion of food. The function of liver is to produce juices. There are many juices that are produced in this organ that help in the process of digestion. Means जो digestion में help करते हैं वो juice हैं जो यहाँ पे produce होते हैं in the liver. Next, large intestine. This outer intestine is the large intestine. इसे large intestine बोलते हैं. It holds the food that cannot be digested, absorbs water from it and forms waste called fecus. Now, some food is digested, some is left. जो digest नहीं हो सकता वो food यहाँ पे आ जाता है large intestine में. Large intestine will absorb whole water from the undigested food. जो भी उस food में पानी है वो सारा large intestine absorb कर लेगी और सॉलिड फॉर्म में एक वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस करेगी. उसे बोलते हैं हम फीकस. FAEC की फीकस. दैट इज द वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस्ड इन आवर बॉडी. वो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में प्रोड्यूस होगा. जो भी अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है इट विल कम इन द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. द वाटर प्रेजेंट इन द अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड विल बी अब्सॉर्ब बाय द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन एंड वाटर उसने अब्सॉर्ब कर लिया तो पीछे क्या बच गया? अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड सॉलिड. तो वो सॉलिड वेस्ट है, that is called the fecus. Last organ is anus. Fecus are removed from the body through the anus. Now this fecus that is produced in the large intestine, that is the waste. It will go out from your body through this organ, that is the anus. वो हमारी बॉडी से बाहर निकलेगा anus के through. These are the functions of all organs of the digestive system. Again, I am repeating. Please listen again carefully. Digestion क्या है? Digestion, it is a process by which the food is broken into simpler parts that can be easily absorbed by our body. Digestion, it takes place by the various organs. There are various organs in our body that helps in digestion. Those organs combine to form one system that is called the digestive system. So now we will read the functions of that organs. First organ is your mouth, through which you take food. You take food through the mouth by biting. Biting के बाद क्या करते हो? आप उसको चबाते हो, पूरा chew करते हो food को. Then the food it mixes with the saliva. This is a liquid. that is produced in your mouth. The food mixes with the saliva and digestion starts in the mouth. Then from the mouth, food passes through a thin tube, that is food pipe, also called as esophagus, and the food will go into the stomach. This is a bag-like organ, that is the stomach. In the stomach, further digestion takes place. Half digestion it took place in the mouth, जो बाकी digestion है वो stomach में आकर start हो जाएगी. Then from the stomach, food will go into the small intestine. This is the small intestine. Here, all the nutrients that are present in the food, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, they will be absorbed in the blood. वो सारे blood में चले जाएंगे और जो blood है वो सारे nutrients को हमें लेकर जाएगा सारे body parts में. वो क्योंकि nutrients तो हमारे सभी body parts को चाहिए. So who bring that nutrients? Blood. After small intestine, liver is there. This is the organ that produces juices. The juices that are produced by the liver, they help in digestion. वो सारे juices digestion में help करते हैं. Next is your large intestine. This is the large intestine. Now, from the whole food, some food is completely digested, some food left undigested. कुछ ऐसा खाना बच जाता है जो digest नहीं होता. That is called as undigested food. Undigested. UNDI. Now, that undigested food will come in the large intestine. The water that is present in undigested food will be absorbed by the large intestine. जो भी पानी है उस undigested food में वो सारा large intestine absorb कर लेगी, तो वो खाना क्या बन जाएगा? Solid. वो solid form में आ जाएगा. That solid is the waste. That is called as fecus. वो waste होता है और उसे बोलते हैं हम fecus. Last organ is anus. Now this waste that is produced in our body will go out, will be removed from the body through the organ that is called as anus. This is all about digestive system. These all organs combine to form the digestive system. ये सारा क्या है? हमारा digestive system. So we will read only digestive system today. Go through it, read it again. You will never forget this system. Any question, any query, you can ask me. So thank you and have a nice day.